This video will be about the definition of logs. With my partners, Tui Vu and Sean Park, we will briefly cover basic information regarding logs, natural logs, and how to solve basic logarithmic equations. Now, are you ready to learn about the most difficult mathematics subject there is in existence? That subject is logarithms. The truth is, logarithms aren't that big of a challenge. See, they're actually quite simple, and hopefully we can break it down to you. Use logarithms to simplify mathematics, not make it harder. And, well, sit back and relax, and hopefully you learn something from this video. Thanks. So, what are logs? Let's define the term.
A log is like the opposite of an exponential. It is the exponent that a base needs to be raised to reach an argument.
This is an easy way of finding the inverse of either exponent or logarithm. As you may know, logarithms and exponents are inverses of each other, and this simplifies it. By showing this, a to the power of x equals y, and log base a to y equals x, it simplifies things. As you will see what numbers on an exponent go where on a logarithm, and vice versa. Wait, if you want to find out more about inverse properties and the relationship between exponential functions and logarithms, please check out our other videos. So far, as of today, we have videos titled Introduction to Inverses and Inverses of Exponential Functions, which is logarithms, which can really help improve your logarithm skill sets. Now we will be going over important vocabulary words that are associated with logarithms.
Here we have an example. In this logarithmic equation, 2 is the base and 8 is the argument, and x would be the logarithm. By the definition of a logarithm, we now know that this is saying 2, the base, to what power is equal to 8, the argument. In this case, the log would be 3.
Sometimes you will see log without a base. This means that the base is assumed to be 10. You will also encounter ln from time to time. This means natural log. It has a base of e, and e is approximately 2.718. Now I will be going over how to solve basic logarithmic equations. Here we are presented with the equation log base 2 of x is equal to 3. Then you would want to use the inverse property of logarithms and turn base 2 into base for an exponent. So it would turn out to be x equals 2 to the power of 3. And 2 to the power of 3 is 8, so the argument, or x in this equation, is 8.
We see that there is no base, which means that the base is assumed to be 10. Now, with the definition of logs, we can interpret this to be 10. To what power equals 100?
And 10 squared is equal to 100. And from that, we convert 100 into 10 squared is equal to 10 to the power of x. And from there, we can conclude that the logarithm is 2. Now for some practice problems. After the problems are finished being written, please pause the video and try them on your own. Then resume the video and see if you got the answers right. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you learned something. Please like if you did, and comment if you still have any questions. And please subscribe to AAA or Amity Algebra Academy. And as always, stay classy, Amity.